Hi, my name is Lillian Zeltser, and I'm the Aphrodisiacs expert because over 3 decades ago, I stumbled on an old love potion recipe which sent me on a hunt for its 18 aphrodisiac ingredients around the world. I hunted for them in faraway corners of the earth where aphrodisiacs grow in the wild. I met amazing people like shamans, doctors, herbalists, scientists, and even witches, and many native people from different cultural backgrounds who still use aphrodisiac recipes that had been in their families for hundreds of years. Many of them I experienced myself, and I can testify that aphrodisiacs exist and they work, but not as your magic hocus pocus, some sort of remedy that would attract a lover or seduce somebody or enhance instantly your sexual pleasures, rather as the fuel of sexual energy, which is the mainspring of life on earth, something that determines every person's decision-making processes, a career, relationships, emotional, physical, and mental health. Many stories, recipes, and my discoveries I share in my new book, Aphrodisiac Adventures, which I put together in hope that it will inspire people to improve their lives by using aphrodisiacs and start the journey to health, long life, and pleasures.